Does full coverage cover Uber Lyft driving? Have you ever wondered if your full coverage auto insurance protects you while driving for rideshare services like Uber or Lyft? It's a common question that many drivers ask, and the answer might surprise you. Let's break it down. Full coverage auto insurance typically includes liability, collision, and comprehensive coverages. These are designed to protect you in many everyday driving situations. However, when you switch gears and start driving for rideshare services, things change. Most personal auto insurance policies, even those labeled as full coverage, usually exclude coverage when the vehicle is used for commercial purposes. This means if you have an accident while driving for Uber or Lyft, your personal full coverage policy likely will not cover damages or liability during that time. Now let's talk about the different rideshare insurance periods. When your app is off, your personal insurance applies. Once the app is on but you have not accepted a ride, Uber and Lyft provide limited liability coverage, but your personal insurance is still the primary coverage. However, when you have accepted a ride and are on your way to pick up or have passengers, Uber and Lyft provide higher liability coverage and contingent collision and comprehensive coverage. But remember, this is only if your personal policy includes collision and comprehensive coverages. This brings us to full coverage exclusions. Full coverage policies have specific exclusions, and commercial use like rideshare driving is commonly excluded unless you have a specific endorsement. So even if you have collision and comprehensive coverage, it might not apply during rideshare driving unless you have purchased additional rideshare insurance or an endorsement. To be properly covered while driving for Uber or Lyft, you typically need to purchase a rideshare endorsement or a separate commercial rideshare insurance policy. This endorsement fills the gap between your personal auto insurance and the rideshare company's coverage, ensuring you have continuous protection. Without the proper rideshare endorsement or commercial coverage, you risk being uninsured during rideshare driving periods. This could leave you financially responsible for damages or injuries resulting from an accident. In summary, full coverage auto insurance does not automatically cover Uber or Lyft driving. You must verify your policy's exclusions and consider adding a rideshare endorsement or commercial rideshare insurance to ensure coverage while working as a rideshare driver. Uber and Lyft provide some insurance, but it is limited and contingent on your personal policy coverage. Relying solely on full coverage personal insurance is insufficient for rideshare activities.